Parvathamalai, and its nature. Welcome, nature lovers. Today we're embarking on a journey to a truly special place, Parvathamalai. Imagine a mountain that whispers ancient stories, a sanctuary where the air itself feels alive with the vibrant pulse of nature. As you ascend, the world transforms. The gentle rustle of leaves becomes a symphony, and the scent of damp earth and wild blossoms fills your senses. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting dappled patterns on the forest floor, creating an almost magical atmosphere. You'll discover a breathtaking diversity of flora, from towering trees that have stood for centuries to delicate wildflowers, painting the landscape with color. But Parvathamalai isn't just about what you see, it's about what you feel. It's the quiet awe that washes over you as you connect with something so much larger than yourself. It's the sense of peace that settles deep within your soul, a welcome respite from the everyday hustle. This mountain offers a profound opportunity to reconnect with the natural world, to breathe deeply, and to simply be present. Thank you for joining us on this brief exploration of Parvathamalai. We hope it inspires you to seek out the wonders of nature. If you enjoyed this, consider following for more journeys into the extraordinary.